Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video, we'll solve question number 1 to 5 from AMC 8 2026. So here is the problem number 1. You have to find the sum of the following expression. So we can divide this into group of 3 from 1 to 3 and then from 4 to 6, from 7 to 9 and from 10 to 12. So here the sum is 0. Here the sum is 3. We can find the sum here will be 15 minus 9, 6, and 21 minus 12 is 9. So find the sum of all these, and that is equals to 18. Now problem number 2. So here in following array, there are 3s, 2s, and 1s. So you have to find the sum of the numbers in the array. Now let's see here. So here there are 5 1s, and then this is also 5, and this is also 5, and this is also 5. So that means we have 20 1s, which is 20. Now let's see 2s. This is 5 2s, and we have next 5 2s here. 10. Now this is 11, and this is 12. That means we have 12 2s, which is 24. Now we have finally 3 A's. So 3 times 3 is 9. So add all together, it should be 53. So C is the answer. So problem number 3. So a piece of wire which is 24 centimeter long is given. Now he wants to bend to form each of the following shapes. You have regular hexagon, square, and right angle triangle. Now let's find the perimeter for regular hexagon. So the perimeter is 6 times 5, because this is regular hexagon. So 6 number of sides, and each length is 5 centimeter. So if you multiply, that is 30 centimeter. So 30 centimeter is not possible because the length is given 24 centimeter. So this is not possible. Now the second case is we have the area of the square. Now to find, which is 36 square centimeter, and find the side from the area, we find the square root of 36. This is just 6 centimeter. Now to find the perimeter of the square, you multiply that by 4. So that is 24 centimeter. So this is possible. Now we have here for right angle triangle. So it is given that one length is 6 centimeter and another is 8 centimeter. So we have 6 and 8 centimeter. So this hypotenuse is not given. But to find the hypotenuse in right angle triangle, we have a relation square of hypotenuse is equal to square of sum of two other sides. That means 36 plus 64, which is 100. That the value of h is now equals to 10 centimeter. That means this value is 10 centimeter. Now if you add 6 plus 8 plus 10, which is 24 centimeter. So this is also possible. So now we have two possible values, and in sides, which is square and triangle. Square is possible, triangle is possible. Now problem number 4. So Brian's saving was decreased by 20% in July, and then in August, he increased by 50%. Now the question is, Brian's savings are now what percent of the original amount? So to find, let's assume the original amount is 100. Now, in July, it is decreased by 20%. That means 100 minus 20. That is equals to 80. Now, in August, so that is increased by 50% in August. So 50% of 80. It simply means 80 plus 50% is 40, which is 120. So from 100, it increased to 120. So this is the answer. Now, as a problem number 5. So Cassie went on road trip and covered 100 miles and stopped for lunch break. The trip took 3 hours. That includes lunch break also. The average speed is given 40 miles per hour. Now you have to find in minutes how long was the lunch break. So this 3 hours also includes lunch break. The total distance travel is 100 miles and this 40 miles per hour. This is the average speed. Now to find, it's very simple. Like we have total distance and then the speed is given 40. So if we cancel, it's like 5 divided by 2. And you cancel this by 2 also. So which is simply equals to 2.5. So this is time taken to travel 100 miles. That simply means the launch time is 3 hours minus 2.5 hours, which is 0.5 hours. And to change that into minutes, that is 30 minutes. So the answer is 30. This much for today. Thanks for watching. For next video, we solve from 6 to 10. I'll see you in that video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.